coat of neon red. I parked it on the carpet right beside my bed. But then the lights started flashing and the wheels began to spin. The magic door is open and I'm jumping right in. The floor is now a highway, the hallway is a track. I'm hitting on the gas now and I'm never looking back. I'm driving past the sofa like a mountain in the sky. I'm dodging all the pillows as I go speeding by. The wheels are made of thunder, the lights are made of stars. I'm winning every race now against the bigger cars. The air is full of music, the wind is in my hair. I'm driving through the magic and I'm going everywhere. Oh, the super drive, racing through the night, faster than the lightning, brighter than the light. Shift gears, feel the power, go! Watch the neon highway begin to spark and glow. Turbo speed, heroic heart, the greatest race in history is about to start. Hold on tight, we're jumping over the rug, giving every corner a big and speedy hug. Check the mirrors, the stars are chasing us, burning up the carpet, leaving trails of gold. The fastest little story that's ever been told. Faster, stronger, drive! Oh, the super drive, racing through the night, faster than the lightning, brighter than the light. Shift gears, feel the power, the greatest race in history is about to start. The finish line is calling, the race is almost done. I've already won.